60 minus 30 equals 30. 30 divided by 6 equals 5, and 5 times 5 equals 25. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have subtraction, division and multiplication operators present, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority. But between multiplication and division, we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. 30 divided by 6, that gives us 5s. Our expression simplifies to 60 minus 5 times 5. And now we have subtraction and multiplication operator present here. And according to the rules, multiplication has higher priority. So we need to solve 5 times 5. That gives us 25. And finally, 60 minus 25, that gives us 35, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.